Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Tucson steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. It is crucial to wait at least 10 minutes after disconnection to allow the airbag system to fully discharge. Next, ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight and the steering wheel is locked in its central position. This preparation is vital for a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's tackle the airbag module. You will find two small access holes, one on each side of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into each hole and push inward to release the retaining clips. Once both clips are disengaged, carefully pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Remember to disconnect the electrical connectors attached to the airbag before setting it aside. With the airbag safely removed, it is time to address the steering wheel itself. First, disconnect any remaining electrical connectors that might be attached to the wheel. Next, you will need a 21mm socket to loosen the large center nut holding the steering wheel in place. Do not remove the nut completely at this stage. Instead, leave it partially threaded and gently wiggle the steering wheel to help loosen it from the steering shaft. Before final removal, it is a good practice to mark the steering wheel and the steering shaft. This helps ensure proper alignment when you reinstall it later. Now, you can fully remove the center nut. With the nut off, carefully pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft. Remember to store the airbag module in a safe place, face up, away from any heat sources. You have successfully removed your steering wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.